Welcome to Emails and Automations on Pretty Dashboard. I'm quickly going to show you everything that you can do with your built-in email marketing on Pretty Dashboard. You no longer need MailChimp, you no longer need Flowdesk. You can do all of the same things that you can do on there right in your own website and have everything connected throughout your whole website and funnels and everything. So we'll quickly just go over everything in this section. So right now we're just on the dashboard. It'll show your statistics and all your subscribers, how many emails you've sent, and you can increase the limits. So let's say you get a plan with only 100 email subscribers and you can send 1,200 emails per month. You can go ahead and increase those limits and you just pay a little extra monthly. So about every 500 subscribers is about $5 extra a month, and you'll see all those prices there when you go into the increase limits section. You do have to have a full-fledged account, not a trial account, to increase your limits. So you can go ahead and do those things once you have a main account and you feel like you need more subscribers. You can easily just start a campaign from here. You can connect your domain. We'll go over that in just a second. And there's just a few other things here. You can add subscribers to your lists. You can create subscriber lists, and you can create automation flows. So we'll go ahead and go through this list here. So we were on the dashboard. Now we're in the campaign section. This is where you can send an email campaign to your subscribers. So you just click Start Campaign, enter the name, and you can go through and build out different templates that we have, or you can build it from scratch with our drag and drop builder, which is super easy to use. You just put in sections here and headings and buttons and videos and anything you want, and you can send it to your subscribers, and you can send it to different lists. So if you want to segment things, you know, when someone purchases your course or something, or someone purchases a product, you can put them into a specific list that you can then email just them instead of having to email your entire list. You can schedule everything in here and send it out whenever you want, just like you would any other email platform. So we'll head back to the main page here and we'll move on to automations. Automations are really freaking cool, so we'll go ahead and create a quick one here just so you can see what it does. So throughout Pretty Dashboard, when someone does something, you can specify whether they're going to be added into a list, they're going to have a tag added to them, or whatever the case may be. You can have those things set up. So then when you create a trigger for your automation, you could have it say when someone gets added to a list. So when someone gets added to your list, you'll create an action, which you could make it delay. You could have, a certain amount of time after they get added, they'll get sent an email, or whatever a certain condition is met. So after, someone gets added to the list, you could have it send them an email, and you create the email and everything, and you could have multiple of those going down here. So, and you'll see that we have other, you can have them a tag removed, you could have add a tag, you could add a note to their account, you could unsubscribe them by them taking an action, and there's going to be more and more coming at later dates as well. So quickly just wanted to show you that automation section, and there's more videos on that you can see. In your lists and subscribers section, this is where all of your subscribers all be. You can see all your subscribers here. You can have designated lists that they can be put in. Like I said, if they purchase a certain product, you can have it put into a certain list or a segment. You can see who's unsubscribed here, which always sucks, but sometimes you got to know the data. And the email templates section is just going to be, again, all the templates that we have available. And if you saved any, all your templates will show up here. So you can save your templates. That way you can use them later on if you really liked them. And then the settings, this is just going to be how you add your domain. So if you have an email, a business email from Google or wherever you're getting it, and it's, for example, like mine is hello@prettydash.co. When I created my website, I connected my prettydash.co domain. So in here, you're not going to put hello@prettydash.co. You're just going to put prettydash.co again, so it makes sure that it's connected, and you'll go through all the steps for that. And then in the brand details is where you'll put that email. So, you could put Steven@Pretty Dashboard, which is what I put for my name, but then I entered in here And you'll see this little thing here that says email domain must be verified before you can send from this address. So it just wants to make sure that that domain you connected was real, and it'll verify everything. So then you'll put that email in there, click save, and it will make sure that it's connected. And if it is verified, then when you send emails, it'll be from hello@prettydash.co. So that's it. That's the email marketing and automation section. It's pretty freaking cool, and all the features that you have can really get targeted and really get specific for your customers, which is nice and gives them a really unique experience, which is what we're all about at Pretty Dashboard. So the next steps that I want you to take are to go ahead and set up your domain in your main website settings, then come in here and connect it as well. Then I want you to fill out your brand details in your settings, just so you have everything in here, like your default sender name, your email, and default system email if you want one, and your company address and company name. Those have to be in your footer of your email, so you have to fill this stuff out. And then what I want you to do is go get some subscribers. If you can get some friends in here, or text your friends and get their emails so you can add some subscribers in here so you can start sending things and adding them to lists, you can totally do that. You can also import them. So if you have an email list already, you will just export that .csv file from your current email subscriber platform and just import it here, and all their information will automatically populate in here. So I can't wait to see what email campaigns you send out and how that goes. If you need anything, do not hesitate to reach out at all. Just leave a comment below or hit us up at hello@prettydash.co. Bye.